try this out. Oh man, this is so good. You got to try this one. Woo, buddy, come on now. Hey guys, I hope everybody's doing great today, having a wonderful day. I'm making a quick lunch here, and I wanted to share with you this creamy lime sauce that I made that it tastes great. It really makes boring food taste much better. I just kept it simple today. I'm just making 3 beef tacos. So I've already cooked the meat, so I'm just using 96 lean beef. I also sliced up some bell pepper in there to make it taste a little bit better. Just some lean beef, keeping it real easy. 0 carb tortillas that I always talk about. So I'm gonna top it with a little bit of, I'm going with fat-free cheese right now. So you can use whatever cheese you want, but the important part is this sauce that I'm gonna make. It is so easy to make, gives it tons of flavor, and you gotta check this one out. This will really, you can also add it on like shrimp, fish, all that good stuff. So whatever you wanna do, you can add this sauce. Check out how easy it is to make. All I'm gonna use is fat-free Greek yogurt, light mayo, pure lime juice, and some seasoning, okay? That's it. So you just take, what you're gonna do, you're gonna take 1/4 cup of yogurt. You know, I like to measure it out so I know exactly how much I'm putting in there. And then let's go with 2 to 3 tablespoons of light mayo. I'm a big fan of mayo. Let's try to get that one out. There we go. And make sure if you drop it on the counter, scoop it off the counter, all right? Let's go with number 2. Get it in there. And I'm gonna go 3. Go 3 today because it's gonna taste good. Let me clean up my mess here. You always wanna clean up your mess. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of lime juice, just pure lime juice. All right, so we're gonna start out, let's start out with 1 tablespoon. And then we're gonna mix it, because you don't want it too watery. So then you just mix it in. If it's spilling too much, you can obviously use a bigger container, but so it's mixing in pretty good. It's not too watery, but it's not too thick as well. Not too watery, not too thick. Now I'm just gonna sprinkle as much as you want seasoning in there. Check that out. So what you probably want to do is sprinkle some. It's gonna look like that on top. And then just kind of mix it in. You gotta go with the taste test. So you taste the lime in there with the seasoning. The mayo tastes good. It doesn't taste like mayo, so it's not overpowering, but man, this is good. You can also use this as a dipping sauce as well. So you could try it like that. So what I like to do is just put it on the tortillas themselves. So I'll take the tortilla, take a little bit, just spread it on there, just like that, all right? Spread it on there, a little bit more for the next one. And don't be too shy, go ahead and get it on there. Put on the next one here. There we go. Look at that. Okay, so you put it on there. It's so simple. Then you just add your meat. All right. Once again, I'm using 6 ounces of lean beef. I cooked this in a few minutes. So you can actually cook the beef and make the sauce while you're doing it. But look how quick and easy this is. Quick and easy meal, and it tastes amazing. Now what I like to do as well is you can either, because you're gonna have a little bit of sauce left over, I like to use all the meat. You can either add the sauce on top. Let me wipe my hand. So what you can do, you can add a little more. So that's what it's gonna look like right there. So you got the sauce on the bottom, you got the meat on top, sprinkle a little bit of cheese on there. I'm gonna put a little cheese on top. And what you can do as well is you can pop this joker in the microwave, just heat it up for a little bit. It'll help the cheese melt. It'll help heat up the lime sauce a little bit. And I'm telling you, it's gonna taste so good. Now, what you can do as well, what I did last time I had this, is as I was eating the tacos, I used it and I just dipped them in here. It's just because you still have a little bit more left over. Or you can just save it for later. You can add it to something else. Or you can also put it on top. You can sprinkle it on top if you want, however you want to do it. But this is just a quick and easy sauce that I made. And I was like, man, this is so good. I gotta show you this one because I really enjoyed it. It tastes great. Like I said, you can use it on other stuff like shrimp. You can use it on fish. It'll taste really good with fish with that lime flavor. Plus the seasoning gives it the salty flavor. Of course, the mayo tastes really good. You have your fat-free Greek yogurt in there, which is really good for you. Always trying to find different ways just to flavor it up. Now on the meat, I did use the seasoning that I talk about. Let me go grab it real quick. Slap Your Mama, okay? I've shown this on videos before. This is kind of like Tony Chachere's. It's called Slap Your Mama. If you don't have taco seasoning, if you don't just want to use salt and pepper or anything like that, just add some Slap Your Mama to it. Sprinkle some on there, taste it, see what you think. Sprinkle a little more on there. It tastes really good. It can really flavor up your beef, your chicken, anything like that, okay? So Slap Your Mama, you can find it at HEB, Walmart, Kroger. I'm sure they all have it. So get you some of this, okay? Keep this in stock and you'll always use it. It tastes really good. Oh, another thing I like to use this on, if you have some broccoli, you can steam some broccoli and then just sprinkle some of this on there. Boring broccoli is not boring anymore. This will take care of that, okay? Don't put too much of it on there, but it will give you that flavor that you need so you're not just eating broccoli. So steam some fresh broccoli, which is super easy and it's really good for you. Steam some fresh broccoli, put some of this on there and you got it covered, okay? So definitely go check out this. I'm gonna pop this in the microwave so I can eat these. I made these the other day and I really wanted to share this with you because I think you will really like this one. So try out this creamy lime sauce. Let me know in the comments what you think. If you have tried something like this, or if you are willing to try it, or if you're like, there's no way because I'm not using mayo. I'm sure you can substitute the mayo for something else. I don't know what, I wanted it because I like the flavor of mayo. So, but try these out. Let me know what you think. These are really good, really quick lunch. I made everything in about 10 minutes. So it's so simple. Just your food doesn't have to be boring. You just gotta make better decisions, okay? So let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe for more content like this. Let's get better, come on.